What is communicative language teaching? Have you used it in your classroom? In this video, we'll talk about an example of a communicative activity. Communicative language teaching is an approach to language teaching and learning. It involves knowledge of the language itself, social rules of it, and knowing how language changes depending on the context it is in. In other words, in a communicative classroom, students interact to create meaningful communication. Communicative activities can be more controlled to build accuracy in language use. However, they can also be less teacher-controlled in order to build fluency. Here are two versions of a communicative role-play activity. For an accuracy role-play, put students into pairs and give each of them a dialogue. The students then take turns practicing the dialogue with a specific accuracy goal in mind. For example, you might ask students to practice using proper intonation when asking questions. While the students are talking, you can move around the room to correct any mistakes. For a fluency role-play, you do not give students a pre-written dialogue. Instead, you assign each group of students a scenario to dialogue about. For example, you might tell students to pretend that they are talking together after a car accident. The students could take on roles such as police officer, driver 1, driver 2, and the witness. They can then freely ask each other questions when acting out the car accident scenario. How do you use communicative language teaching in your classroom? What other activities have you tried?
This is American English. Thank you for watching.